Sometimes when I'm thinking about us before we got lost in.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and thank you so much for watching. If you are new, welcome. My name is Whitney and I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 littles. I also teach ESL online. My channel consists of a lot of cleaning, home decor, and lifestyle type of content. If you guys love that, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a true power hour. My house was really messy at this point and we had family coming over later on. This was Sunday when I filmed this, and I just needed to quickly clean the house before they got there. So I'm going to be bringing you all along with me.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us.
So I'm starting the clock around 12:11 and I am starting in our bedroom. I really just needed to pick the clothes off the floor and make our bed and kind of just make this room look nice and clean. Wasn't really so worried about this room as much as I was the downstairs, just because our family doesn't really come up here too much. And while I am making the bed, my husband and I were talking about this the other day. Do you guys use a top sheet? We use a flat sheet, but we never use a top sheet anymore. I feel like it's pointless and it gets scrunched to the bottom of the bed and it's just another thing that I have to wash. So I'm just curious if we are the only ones that do this, or if this is more common than we think. Let me know in the comments what you guys do.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So moving downstairs into the kitchen, I'm just going to straighten up the countertops and wipe them down. I unfortunately cannot do the dishes in this video because the dishwasher was running and all of the dishes in the sink really needed to be sanitized in the dishwasher and not just hand washed. So that will not be happening in this video, but I am still going to be giving you guys some cleaning motivation in this room.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So I know this looks like a lot of random cans, but this is actually for a Boy Scout food drive that my town has going on, and my husband and I really wanted to contribute this year. So I did purchase a ton of cans for this, and then I had some cans that were in our pantry that I really wasn't going to be using, so we are donating those as well. So you're just going to see me putting all of the cans in these bags and then setting them out into our laundry room.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around. No.
Moving into the living room, if you guys have been around here for a while, you know my living room always looks like this, no matter what time of day. There are always toys everywhere. I have 2 toddlers. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and this room is just always trashed. So I'm just gonna quickly pick up all of the toys and then run the vacuum in here as well.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change.
So I do have another question for you guys. I am gonna be decorating for Christmas sooner than later. And I'm curious, are you somebody who likes to decorate early, or are you somebody who likes to decorate later in November or even in December? Let me know in the comment section as well.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me
Once I am done vacuuming both the living room and the kitchen, I am just going to run my steam mop through here. There were little splotches of sticky stuff and juice and whatever else ends up on this floor, and I really just needed to mop it.
Still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down.
With about 10 minutes left on the clock, I am going to quickly clean up the playroom. This room was trashed. There was Play-Doh everywhere, crumbs all over the floor. My kids had a field day in here with their dad. So you're gonna see me cleaning up in here, vacuuming up all of the Play-Doh and the crumbs and picking up all of the toys. And then I will run the vacuum through the entire room as well.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this power hour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really tried to make sure it was a true power hour. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
It's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more.